Hello everyone and welcome to another Bliss Tech Solutions Tuesday Tech Tip, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a feature of OneDrive called AutoSave. Now AutoSave, you may be familiar with, is a great feature. It does what it says on the tin and it automatically saves your documents as you go along, so you don't have to. That is until it doesn't. And today's tip is about what can go wrong with AutoSave and what you need to be mindful of when working with older versions of Microsoft Office documents. Here we go. Okay, so I've got two documents open here, two Excel spreadsheets actually, both called the same name, Test AutoSave. And see this one here, the AutoSave feature is turned on, and if I start typing something, it's automatically saving this information as I go along. Nice and easy, brilliant, exactly what we wanted to do. However, the other version of the document that I've got open here, AutoSave is not turned on, and when I start to type things, it's not saving the document. I can manually save it by clicking this icon here, but if I try and turn AutoSave on, I get a message to say that the file doesn't support AutoSave. Now, if you're using documents that you've had for a long time, you may experience this problem but not actually be aware of it unless you look up at the top left and realise whether AutoSave's turned on or not. The reason this is happening with this particular version of this document is because it's saved in an older version of Excel. So that's why it can, happen with legacy documents you've had for a long time. You may have sort of copied them to sort of use them as a template and so on, without realising that AutoSave's not been turned on. Now, when you go to close the file, if you haven't saved it, you will get a warning. It will force you to save the document, which is great, but that won't help you if your computer crashes halfway through a document and it hasn't auto-saved. So the best way to get around this is, I'll just save this document. We want to go in and save as a copy. And then what we're going to do is automatically selected the latest version. So what we're looking for here is an X at the end of the file extension. So the file extension is that bit of the file that you sometimes don't see. XLSX for Excel files, DocX for document files in their latest formats. And the version that we previously were working on was a 97 to 2003 workbook, which is just XLS. It doesn't have the X at the end. So that's where you can run into some problems with AutoSave, where you think it's saving your documents automatically as you go on, but it actually isn't. So do me a favour, have a look up at the top left, see whether AutoSave is on. If it's not, save the file in the latest version of the Office format and you'll be good to go. I hope you found that useful. I'll see you again next time.